Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today we'll discuss about searching for null. The null value in a column can be searched for a table using is null in the where clause. Means the relational operator we are using here for is null. For example, to list details of all employees whose department can contain null. That is means no value. So you have to give the command select employee number, employee name, job from the table where department number is null, means where the employee detail it is not given. So the null value will be listed there in the table. Here one example is given here. Write query to display the names of pets who are no more that is the death column stored or not null value for them. Use table pet. So here the command is how to write the command. Select name from pet where death is not null. It means it is given here where death is not null, means value is not given, is not null, it is given there. So all the data will be displayed. Then operator precedence. When an expression has multiple operators, then the evaluation of expression takes place in the order of operator precedence. The operators with higher precedence are evaluated first. Operator precedence of MySQL are shown in the following list from highest precedence to the lowest. Operators that are shown together on a line have the same precedence. How to use this? This all are the operators is given here. How to use this? It is operator is not given here. Then means multiple operators if you are using, then the operator with higher precedence are evaluated first and then afterward the lowest will be evaluated. It is given here in the sequence. First of all, which will be evaluation, which evaluation will be giving the first. Then sorting result, order by clause. Whenever select query is executed, the resulting rows emerge in a pre-decided order. You can sort the results or a query in a specific order using order by clause. The order by clause allows sorting of query result by one or more columns. The sorting can be done either in the ascending order or descending order. By default, it is ascending order. If you want to do the sorting of your order, so you can give the orders here. Then how to give the order means by default it is ascending order. So example is given here. Select asterisk from employee, the employee table name, order by e-name, that all the orders by employee name will be displayed there as ascending order. By default ascending order is there. Then to display the list of students having aggregate more than 400 in the alphabetical order by their names, you may give the command. Here you have to give the condition, means the aggregate greater than 400, then order by name. Then it is given here, if the aggregate is 400, the order by name means alphabetically order it is given here. Then to display the list of employee in the descending order of employee code, use the command is given here. If you want descending order, then give the descending order. DESC is the shortcut of descending order and ascending order shortcut is AC, like this. Then it is given here how to write the order by grade descending, e-name as ascending, means the grade will be displayed as descending order and name will be displayed as ascending order, like this. Then here example is given here. Write a query to display name, age, aggregate of students whose aggregate is between 300 and 400 in between, order by query descending order, means two condition we have to put here, where the aggregate between 300 and 400 and order by the name as descending order. Like this the order will be displayed here. Then next topic, MySQL functions. MySQL function. A function is a special type of predefined command set that performs some operations and return a single value. Means already we are having the predefined commands in our SQL, MySQL. There you have to fire the query and then the return a single value. Function operate on 0, 1, 2 or more values that are provided to them. The values that are provided to functions are called parameters or arguments. The MySQL functions have been categorized into various categories such as string functions, mathematical functions, date and time functions, and so on. Although MySQL offers a big bucket of functions, yet in the discussion we shall remain limited to some common functions here. Means you have to call the functions, and then value, if you want to give the value give for functions, is known as the parameter or arguments you are giving there. Then it is categorized into various categories such as string function, mathematical function, date, time, all the functions. So many functions are there we are using in this bucket of functions, inside the bucket of functions. So first one is string function. The string function of MySQL can manipulate the thing string in many ways. Some commonly used string functions are being discussed below. So these are the string functions. Character char function returns the character for each uh, integer passed. And here the example how to write select char and the integer the value you are giving. Then concatenate means return concatenated string. Then example how to write select concat, then name aggregate as name marks from a student where age 14 or age 16, means here you are giving the conditions. Then lowercase, if you want to show the lowercase like this, the example will be written. Then substring, superstring, it is given here, uppercase, trim. This all the functions we are having in this string function. Yes. Then come to the numeric function. The number functions are those functions that accepts numeric values and after performing the required functions operations return numeric values. So first one is mode function. Return the remainder of one expression by dividing another expression. It means it's returns the modulus, means mod, and if you have to give the value, then at last you have to write, means it is a string, so it will display the modulus like this. Then power returns the value of one expression raised to the power of another expression like this. If you want to give the power, so you have to write this power and give the argument, it is given here. Then round, return numeric expression rounded to an integer, can be used to round an expression to number decimal points, means round up if you are finding, then you have to give this command. Then sign, the function, this function returns sign of given number, sign of given number, it is where you are giving the sign, it will display the sign of given number. Then short, return the non-negative square root of numeric expression, it will show the it will show the square root. XQRT function is there, so it will show the return the square root of particular number which you had given as argument. Then truncate means the means x1 truncate to second one decimal place, then decimal is 0, then the result will have no decimal points. It means truncate, you are knowing how to give the answer of that truncate. Then date and time function is also given here. First one is current date function. Current date, how to write, three way you have to, if you want to write the three way, it is given here. Current date spelling check, it returns the current date. How to write, select qrdat function and semicolon, then the current date will be displayed there. Then date, current date, if you want, then current date, then month function, year function, day name, day of month, day of week, day of year. Now means return the time of which the function execute, and system date means returns the current date and system date there. Like this we have to follow the having the date and time functions. Then example is given here. Let's read, understand some examples. Write a query to create a string from ASCII values 70, 65, 67, 69. The solution it is given here. You have means string value it is you have to give. So char 70, 65 giving, then the answer would be displayed here. The ASCII value of this 3, 70, 65, 67 and 69 is FACE. Then concatenate name an aggregate of student having age of 14 and 16. So here consider the table student. Then here how to write, select concat name and aggregate as name mark from a student where age 14 and 16. So name mark we want to display as a field name mark, so we are giving here double quote as name marks, and then all the age of student data will be displayed here. Then displays names Mr. Obama and Mr. Gandhi into lowercase. So where you want to show the lowercase, you have to call the lower, and uppercase you have to call the uppercase function. Select lower, argument give, then as the field name lower name you are giving, then lower MS Gandhi as lower name 2, means lower 1 and lower name 2, like this it is given here, and then it will change the display according to the function we are calling. Then display name of all employees in lowercase. It means all the employees name you want lowercase, you have to call the function lowercase from this, then it will show. Then display 4 character extracted from third left character onwards the string ABCDEFG, means you have to extract the fourth character, means left third character character if you're giving, so you have to use the substring ABCDEFG. Here the third character, which one is the third character? C. And after the third character you have to write the four character together, so C D E F will be displayed here. So first of all the 3 is the position, and 4 is the 4 means how much character you want to display it. Then display first 3 character extract job from this number it is given here, so you have to show the condition here, means job first one and first and then third character you have to display from employee 8 4 times 8 and employee number 8900, like this. Then write a query to remove leading and trailing space from string bar1. So if you want to trim the bar1, you have to call the trim, that bar1 will be trimmed as together. Then display the position of occurring the or in string corporate floor. You have to write INSTR for in string to corporate floor here, or you have to given or have to do so where in string value is 2 it is given here. Then the next example 14.221 we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.